Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman at 704-997-2168. Today we're going to look at a 2021 Harris 230 Cruiser. This Harris 230 Cruiser is powered with a Mercury 4-stroke engine, has the 4-step boarding ladder. The stainless steel fence rail allows you to sit on the rear sun pad while the boat is underway. Plenty of cup holders. Has the USB charging port on the rear. Has the rear gate. Dual captain chairs. More stainless steel cup holders. Side entry door. New designed helm for 2021. Armrests on the captain's chair and passenger seating. Has the upgraded acrylic table. Full-length metal door stops. This is the 2021 Harris 230 Cruiser. By MarineMax Lake Norman. Again, I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168. Be glad to walk you through this Harris 230 Cruiser or any of the others that we carry in our inventory. Thanks.